Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to add any TikTok video as a live background on your iPhones. It's actually really easy to do. So what you have to do is go over to TikTok and you just want to find a random video on TikTok that you would like to use as your wallpaper. So say, for example, I'm just going to use this one right here. You just want to click on the share button on TikTok and then swipe over and click on live photo. This will then save the video as a live photo on your phone, which will allow you to go into your settings and activate it as a live wallpaper. So once it's done, I'll show you guys where to go next. So you have it done there. You can go out of here and go over to your settings and open that up. And then what we're going to do is we're actually going to go over to wallpaper on our settings. So just right here, choose new wallpaper, scroll down to where you see live photos. And then at the bottom here, you see the new live photo of the TikTok video. And then if you long press on it, you guys will see here that then it makes it an animation of our live wallpaper. And then we can go ahead and click on set. And then you can set it as your lock screen or home screen, totally up to you. Really, really easy to do. I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to set this up. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.